Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is another nature vlog part 2. And if you heard that noise, that is my baby brother. They're very noisy. Whoa. I almost fell off the little trampoline we have. By the way, if you didn't know, there's a lot of deer that come around over there. And they actually live over there somewhere close by there. It's really cool because I get to see them out my window. I'll go by the window. Hopefully there's no pokies. So there's my window. Whoa. Window. So yeah, that is my window, if you saw. Here's my baby brother. He likes making message. Comment down below if you like telling jokes and like to be silly, because our family loves to be silly and loud. And there's a deer over there, right there. I love deer. I think they're really adorable. But not the ones with the antlers. I think they're kind of attacking you. But really, they're afraid of you, not us. Well, that's what I meant, actually. They're afraid of us. We're not afraid of them. Unless some of you guys are. Comment down below if you're afraid of deer. Or elk. Practically the same thing. He's so silly. My bigger brother. The older brother. But he's another young. I'm the oldest. I'm the only sister.
Come on, Mom. Come at me. Mama.
Such a pretty day out. Remember, this is part 2. What? He calls me Bubba. I love trampolines. Who likes the outdoors? Comment down below. Cheese. He likes to say cheese, even though it's a video. He's super cute. You want to show him? He's showing you Iron Man. He loves Iron Man now. That's his new thing. Say hi.
Hi. Pokemon. This is the new Pokemon. Mom, I need a poke.
By the way, please get this app. It is called Boo, and there are all sorts of
Mom,
scary stories on there. So get that app now.
Ouch! Don't do that.
They're silly brothers.
Don't. I'm serious. Okay, I'm gonna download.
Let's go see the deer. Oh, ow, I just poked myself. Pokey. I know. Oh, God. Now I'm a little scared. Oh, God. I'm scared of deer if they're oh my gosh. Keeps staring at me. I gotta get to the house now.
I said pooting games and I meant shooting games. They actually are shooting games.
Sweet.
Snipe.
Well, I I think that is the end of this vlog. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye. Ow. Bye.
Bye.